Jangan.
I think plus itu, dia ada assembly dengan shah, commotion kalau apa kayak yang tadi sila social government, laho nagapag and all party meeting yung kada pagkakren yung roster for us we don't need to discuss about roster. You know what is roster. They don't come kalong ba strictly we want to discuss on this issue. Katahi kita lagi kuah aja kasi kalong madam review the resolution dan put on hold the roster because the roster is just a system to ensure that the policy is strictly followed. So we don't need an explanation about roster. Believe him, Suko. Very clear. We want to review the reception policy. Review the reception policy. If the government agrees. Once the government is ready to discuss on that subject, to review, then yung secret lang ba? First thing, yung ada trend ba? At least the ratio should have been proportional of population structure.
I will look at all your
Yes. The government right was it has to be optional.
I'm worried.
It has to be
You're
optional.
wasting lang ako slide on the budget.
It has to be optional. Government will write, then we will decide as a party what we will do.
What do you want me to write?
No. Better you will write. I cannot simply take it like this. No? Optional, it has to be optional. It
In
has to
what
be in black and
sense?
white.
That? What
Black
do you
and
want
white.
me to write?
It depends upon you, then. How the government writes to us. How
Then
the government
again,
looks
you
at
say,
this
oh, kami
agitation.
kamlong.
I think the government must be aware. The government must be. Reservation is how you reserve. No, you don't understand what is reservation.
So that is why you make us understand.
Reservation is a policy where you reserve job for this class of people living in the state. That is reservation.
That is what the policy says.
So the ratio in the present reservation is 40% for the Garos and 40% for the Khasis and 20% for others, right? So we find that this policy is not okay in the sense that it is not proportionate in terms of population structure. We are more, the Khasis are more than Garos by 15%, by 19%. So
Khasi means what? So
Yeah.
many of them.
yeah, they are all included.
Everybody is
Kinbrem
there.
Upanar. Don't try to divide.
I'm not
Don't try to
dividing.
divide.
I'm not dividing.
Don't try to explain about the division. Don't try to bring that issue. When we talk about Khasi, we all know that Khasi
I
means
have not come here to
Upanar,
argue
Ubhoy,
with you.
Uwa, Umaramulingam. That is the definition of Khasi. So if you bring Jaintia, if you bring Bhoy, then there will be another problem. No. Why should you worry? It's the politician who promote this division. We are promoting unity. We are promoting unity. We call for the unity of the people. We are going everywhere. Let us unite. Let us have a sense of understanding that we are one as a community. When we say Khasis, we mean we include Panar, we include War, we include Bhoy. So let us not bring that.
Let us talk about it. Let us discuss this in a proper manner.
I think
I have come here to tell you, but I'm worried. I don't want this.
So if
It's not
you are-
good for the
yeah.
state. Not
Don't
good
worry
you,
for me.
Not good for the state.
Don't
the
worry
state,
for
the
me.
state.
Okay, worry
Not
for
good
the
for all
youth
of us.
of the state,
I'm very concerned.
youth of this region.
Very concerned.
Worry for the future of our youth.
I'm very
Worry for the
concerned
future of
for
the state.
you and for everyone.
Not for me.
For you
Not
and
for
for
me.
everyone.
I'm ready to sacrifice my life.
Okay.
I'm ready
Please,
to sacrifice
please
my
let
life.
us meet. Let us meet across the table. I've come here to tell you, please, if possible, withdraw your strike. Come, let's work. For the good of the state.
No.
Takam lele. come.
I
As you
don't-
wish. As you wish.
see,
I have come.
Yeah, okay, thank
I
you.
have come.
Yeah, thank you. But as I told, we are ready to withdraw if the government decides to review the policy. And we are ready to go to the negotiating table with the government, to sit with the government if the agenda is on the reservation policy.
It is the resolution policy.
No, as of now, this committee that we are heading is on roster, please.
But
It's on roster.
I've come.
Yeah,
I have
okay.
done my duty.
Okay,
Please
thank
take
you.
care of yourself.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Thank you.
Take care, take
So,
care.
yeah, official, it has to be official. It
In
has to
what
be in black
sense?
and white.
That? What
Black
do you
and
want me to write?
It depends upon you, like, how the government writes to us. How
Then
the government
again, you
looks
say,
at this
oh, kami
agitation.
kamlong,
No, no, no.
kamlong.
I think the government must be aware. The government must be aware that our agitation is based on the failure of the government to accept, or demand to review the reservation policy. So how the government is going to review that? It depends upon the government. It depends upon the government. But at least what we have mentioned openly is that this policy should have been proportionate on population structure. That is number one. That is number one. For further details, then the committee or the government may decide. No, this committee is not on reservation policy. It's on rosters. The government is trying to mislead. This
Just take
committee-
care of yourself.
No.
I've understood your mind now. I will talk to everyone. I've understood you. But I want it safe.
Yeah. What I will continue. I will continue.
Why
Yeah.
even pang...
No.
We need you.
Yes,
You are
yes.
a legislator. Come on. Surely there's nothing na bang himla ka ba niya siyang of course.
Yes. Definitely. Which is
Hingin
why
pa.
Which is why we want to discuss this issue on the floor of the house. In fact, we decided
Floor of
first.
the house, if
We
you don't come in numbers.
sought to discuss this issue on the floor of the house.
Democracy, how?
We don't want to take this issue on the street, but now this issue is on the street. So everybody they are looking at us now. We just
But
cannot
democracy kadai kita. Dihapon gan wigin number.
no.
Dadaklan din number sa
Even without numbers, the government should have a concern on the seriousness of the issue. On the seriousness of the issue. Bila dah mentah kan सरकार the shooting number of it. The issue keep along.
Tingnan ang kuno ha baka democracy kaya kita.
No. This is
At
not
democracy kaya kita. Wala ka private members. Dihapon
That is not democracy. That is not democracy. That is the rules. That is the rules and procedure of conduct of business in the house. So they are applying with rules, not with democracy. This is democracy.
That's the way the world is.
It
If
should
you
have
one
been done
day
in-
get
it should have been
one
done
day you have the
in a real
numbers, you will
democratic
also
way.
not allow any other political
We will discuss real issues.
Okay, we'll discuss.
If we are in the government, we will discuss real
No,
issues.
we will. I just come here.
Okay,
I'm
thank you
very
so much.
concerned.
I'm very grateful for your
I'm very
concern.
concerned.
Okay,
I want
I'm
to
very
keep
grateful
fit.
to you,
I want to-
but we cannot decide individually. This is, you are coming
So
here.
you are saying now give it in writing.
Yeah.
Now I don't know what you want in writing. So I will go back and I will find out what is this writing you want. I hope that even after that writing you should not remain
Our
like
message is very clear.
Pilayos raw nga one ban request si Arden. Ban withdraw yung ka strike to you. Namarba. Igwa pa niya kren. Kami kampahan. Tangkatang doon ba to? Nga siwan ban request si I. Man smo pa ban withdraw no. Kaka. Education to I. Namarbang idon kam niya kren. Lem da kating niya kren siya ay niya boy sa binig suku. Mla.
Atau kalau belum mau ada kajing suan man kyrpad klaim na kajing tho.
So iya saya tak kata. Nga ngaday ka Emily, ngaday ka nong susunok. Ngasnog dan kamanwan ngalawan. Ngalale ila ka jong. Kajing hot ki isya kajing langin saya hot. Iwan tin la man ya friend.
Jadi message tu pak.
Kaya ni ngawan kum ka nong susunok. Ngawan kum ka Emily. Ngadan kajing sausi kajing ba pelik lah. Ngadan tohok kawan. Ban request ni. Ban suha ban withdraw ya ka. Education. Tangkat lagi ang
Atau pinsa apa naman itu si pinsa pwede pa kanina ban song
ngin
ha.
saya ba ya ka ay kabanja ngimla pa niya kren ba. Nga kermen bakan bed. Iwan ban pen bed.
Yung tap yuan presna.
Personal. Personal kung ganong song. Kung gawin ni kita try lang ba. Na try kam don problem ka pa.